Today I will be telling you guys exactly how you can identify a faulty CPU and a faulty emmc, which is your RAM. So please, if you do like what I'm doing, if you like my videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I upload the next video. And always try to comment. If you are facing any difficulties to understand my videos, make sure you comment, please. In a third mobile phone without using a multimeter. So for you to understand well, you will need to watch carefully. The most important thing that you will need to focus on in the video is the voice, because actually there is no viewable action, no important viewable action. It's just some thumbnails that I would really want you to understand from there. So let us get started. So I will just take it short. If the phone isn't switching on, your battery is okay, your power flex, your power button is okay, and you have confirmation that your charging section is okay, then this is what you should check to identify the faulty IC, the IC that is shorting the phone, causing the phone not to switch on. First, you will need to connect your battery to the phone. Connect it in your PC. When connected in your PC, you will need to press the boot key in flash mode. You will need to make sure that the phone is in flash mode. Connect your battery. Even though the phone isn't switching on, connect your battery, press the boot key. It should be the volume up or the volume down. If you connect and the phone does not read the text in your PC, the phone shows no signal in your PC, with no drivers detection, then your CPU is faulty, no doubt. Yeah, if it does not switch on and does not detect on your PC, and have confirmation, it's very simple, that your charging section is okay, then it is the CPU. Yeah, I know you might be asking why I said it has to be the CPU if the phone does not detect on PC. These are the things you will need to know. If you remove your CPU from your phone, even though the charging IC is there, the USB controller is there, if you remove your CPU in your phone, then connect it in the PC, it won't detect. But if the CPU is there and you remove the RAM, which is the emmc, the phone will detect. So the controller IC, the USB controller from the charging IC, has a signal that it's from the CPU to detect in the PC. So hope you do understand that well. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. And then if you connect, if it does not switch on, you connect in your PC and it detects, then your emmc, your RAM has a problem. Fact. So that's it. You see, very simple. That's all about it. If it detects, flash the phone. Try flashing the phone. If it does not work, then try reprogramming your RAM, your emmc, emcb. So there are many types of RAM. So if you try flashing and it does not work, then you can. And the most thing is that most of us really know the work, but what we lack is correct tools for the correct work. I know you can afford to solve these problems if you don't have your repairing tool, your heat gun, yeah, things like that. If you don't have your stencil, your SMD heat gun, if you don't have the correct one, you won't be able to repair this kind of fault. But you can still succeed in some cases, because I have succeeded rebuilding emmc with some power ICs, CPU without a stencil. Just that for you to do that, you will need a lot of time for you to do that. I used to do that when I did not have enough work to do, but if I have time, if I feel good about doing it again one day, then I will make a video on that. I will show you exactly how you can do that, and like I said, you will need time for that. To rebuild without stencil is not an easy task, but I am glad I have succeeded in some cases.